Hello, hi, I'm Siti from Smart Excel, where we are very much specialized in getting primary and secondary students to do the best in PSLE and GCE O level examination. For this tutorial, we have P3 Chapter 9 Area and Perimeter Question 4. Okay, let's us begin the question. The figure below is made up of 3 squares or sides 3, 8 and 5 cm respectively. Find the perimeter and the area of the figure. Okay, there are a few words in this area and perimeter that the child needs to know in the area and perimeter topic. Okay, number one, I would like to highlight definitely they need to understand the word perimeter. Perimeter means the outline. Alright, and the area is referring to the inside. Okay, and the next that they need to be familiar with is the word respectively. Respectively means next in sequence. Alright, like they mentioned, the figure is made of 3 squares, so we have 3 squares here, and of sides 3 cm, 8 cm, 5 cm respectively, means the first number belongs to the first square, second number belongs to the second square, third number belongs to the third square. Okay, so let us begin and find the perimeter. Always start with your kids. Okay, we always start with the students to get to the 1 point before they just add. Some students, they are not very sequent, you know. This like they take this, they add this, you know, they take this, they add this, and they, you know, it's not the sequence of it, so it's not good. So but before we can we will do that, let's what's that called, let's get the the numbers first. Alright, we get through the numbers first. Okay, so what is it, the numbers that is missing that we can see? If this is 8, meaning this whole thing here is 8, therefore when we take 8, we this is 5, this is also 5, so this part here to here, oops, sorry, so this maybe I just change to darker. Okay, so this part here, this is 3 cm. Okay, if this is 5, this one also 5 cm, this is 5 cm, this is 8 cm, this is 3 cm, and this is also 3 cm. How about this? This will be 8. Okay, this part is 8 minus 5, no, wrong, is 8, my apology, 8 minus 3. Okay, because we need to minus this off, so 8 minus 3, that will be equal to 5. Okay, now we can add. Alright, always begin with 1 point, which is here. Okay, so we put P, then we cross here is 3, plus we go up is 5, we go through here is 8, go down 3, plus 5, plus another 5, plus another 5, plus another 8, plus 3, plus 3. Okay, alright, with this is a good practice to do like this. Okay, that's my recommendation personally, because it definitely would not allow any blanks or miss of numbers. Okay, but of course when things gets better for the kids, so for the students, we will it will be much faster for them. Okay, and the next is, after we lay all this, get them to count Okay, that's another, because it's all about getting to good habits. It's not just about doing and getting it right, but it's also getting in a good habit. So just to counter check on the that we don't miss any numbers apart from that one point we start and we come back to the same point, the next we can count is the sides. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So make sure we have 10 numbers here, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, done. So now we know, we are confirmed we don't leave any numbers behind. Now let's get started in calculating. And personally, I don't encourage my students to add 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3, you know. No, we teach them how to, they already learn in part of the first chapter. Whole numbers is actually to add with the groupings, right? So from here we can make them group all the fives. Okay, this will give 5 and 5 is 10. This is another 15 and 20. So we can put here 20. Alright, then we have the 8, which is 2 of them. So this will give 16, right? And we have number 3, which is 1 2 3 4, which is 12. So plus 12. This is what I always teach my students, and which you should too. Okay, and from there they can do the normal calculations at the corner, uh, which will give them 48 cm. Alright, now that's your perimeter part. Now let's go through the area. Okay, area will be area. Let's label the area where you have 3 areas. So let's label this as A1, A2, A3. So let's highlight what is the formula of area. Area is length times breadth. So let's find area 1. Area 1, you know that the side is 3. So it will be 3 times 3. Sorry. 3 times 3, which is 9 cm square. And your area 2, the side is 8. So 8 times 8, this will be 64 cm square. And your area 3 is 5. 5 times 5, which gives you 25 cm square. So thus we're gonna add all that up. The A1 plus A2, A3. A1 is 9 plus 64 plus 25. They can do the working at the corner, and you will give us 98 cm square. Alright, so I hope this intro of the area and perimeter is clear enough for you to understand and better coach your child at home. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.